Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I just want to unbox this DIOXIT blue black silicone cushion for car or the office chairs. And before going, I just did the unboxing of this Taxin Cars neck support pillow. If you want this unboxing video of this neck support, just find link in the description. I'll be posting there. For now, we'll see this DIOXIT honeycomb design sort of silicone cushion support for the office chairs or the car chairs or wherever you want to keep as a cushioning, as a breathable cushion. See here, this got decent ratings and it is under the budget of 400 rupees. See here, this is the silicone gel, and on top of it you'll have this black cover, which is also a breathable cover, where you can use the zipper and open this, and you can wash this black cover in the outside. This one, see here, you can just check this. It is breathable mesh type sort of cloth with the zipper. So you need to just zip it and you can place on your car seats or the office chair seats to avoid the overheat which will produce by longer period of seating. Okay, this is the neck support. In the last video I just unboxed, right? If you missed it, you can just check. And this is for the user who will have this long drives. Okay, in the sales package, one this black cover and one that silicone cushion. Okay, these two you will receive. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks once you completely zip it. I'm just testing with my hand pressure. When I try to give some pressure here, this is completely fixable and breathable. See here, so it absorbs some shock and it will be helpful to avoid overheat when you sit on the chair or the car seat for a longer period of time. This would be somewhat helpful to reduce the heat producing between the seat and your back support. Okay, if you want the review video of this product, you can just ask in the comments. So that, see here, breathable, elastic, soft. Yes, it is soft, cooling. These all things I need to test. I need to take the opinion from the user. If you want the review video of this, you can just ask in the comments, so that I'll be posting a review video or the user experience video. But anyway, I'll be try to attaching this product. Please do check, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.